Welcome home. Let me tell you about this great property. Now, underneath that red carpeting is 3/4-inch hardwood flooring. That means you can refinish this 1,000 times. Not like that pre-manufactured stuff. This is a very solid home. You have a newer roof, newer furnace, newer windows, newer kitchen cabinets. It just needs your little bit of loving. Nearly 1,600 square feet. And I've seen a lot of people move that fridge over to where these cabinets are, opening up that whole kitchen area, really making it into a gourmet type kitchen. So a lot of possibilities here with just a little bit of elbow grease. And the beauty is you can make it the way you want. In this room, you have a family room with a gas fireplace. You have access to a concrete patio out back, and there's something special out back I'm going to share with you in a moment, so stick around. This property is located in Sterling Heights in the Utica School District. And if you know the Utica School District, you know it's one of the top school districts in the state. This has a pass-through from the primary bedroom, and if you like purple, boy, you're going to get excited. Let's get excited. That's right. Now, you could change those countertops, cool it down a little bit on the colors, but actually it's kind of neat. Better than those blue and pink ones, right? And here again, hardwood flooring throughout the main floor, less the family room and the kitchen. So you can see that's 3/4-inch hardwood flooring. If you like a dark stain, a light stain, it's totally up to you. An incredibly solid home. Here again, you can restain it 1,000,000 times, whatever your taste is. Now, the starting price on this property is $225, and I do say starting price. We're expecting multiple offers on this, so just keep that in mind. But a beautiful home. It's been well maintained. Obviously, the tastes were for the folks that lived here. One owner, and if you want another red couch, they'll throw that in. Updated carrier furnace, sub pump. Now, the backyard patio, look what you're looking out at. Not right into another house. Great area, great neighborhood. Don't miss out. Lots of updates. Give us a call. We'll talk to you later. Have a good day. Bye now.